The concrete truck had some very dry concrete in it on this very first post. We think that is why when we drilled it and then put the thread of the big screw in, that it went.
Yes! Oh.
Wow. So our second sonotube attempt didn't go as planned either. Super weird. But we're gonna try one more time. Hopefully it works. We got this all set up. Pretty much ready to pour. Once we get this all figured out.
Well, this is gonna be the third attempt. We did once, we broke it. We did it 2 times. Well, this is the second time. We broke that too. We're on attempt 3. I've never had it break before, but this time it's happening. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Your bad luck, Zach.
It's going.
It's raining! It hasn't rained in months, and there was not a lot of chance of it raining today, but it is definitely raining. Third time's the charm, though. That's the thing, right? You're supposed to hit somebody.
Mm-hmm.
Don't hit people, okay? It's a joke. Woo! Third time's a charm. Oh, it's possible. Anything is possible. Just gotta believe in yourself. Let's sit here. Zach, we were just admiring how flat my driveway is. I think. I'm not sure. I try and do as much with my eyeball as possible. It's okay. It's okay if it's 3.5. It's okay if it's 4.5. Less than 3 is probably not great. Amount of concrete in inches across. So we're just gonna see where we're at. And it might be sloping up a hair. I'm not sure on that. My goal is to have this parallel to the house be level, and then it'll start tapering down to the road. And I think I want the back side of my turnaround area to be level, and then just tilting that way. I think that's what I want. So it's very consistent across here. Right as it gets to those forms, it drops a hair. So I'm either going to take out a little bit along here or fill that in. I know this is pretty close. Zach complimented me to really put some wind in my sail. He said it was going to look good. I think it will look good. I was very pleased with how flat we were able to get it. I don't think we're going to have I think our estimate for how much concrete we're going to need is going to be fairly close. We have a little turnaround area that we're creating where we come up the driveway And then if we have a trailer on, like a boat or something, you can pull up way in there. And then you can back it into that third stall. I was trying to figure out, okay, what if I have my big enclosed trailer? I can't back it into the house. It's too tall. But I think I'll have enough room to go along the side of the third stall garage and back out straight. I don't see any other option. I'm not gonna do a full turnaround in here, even though that'd be kind of cool. I'll have to think about it. It'd be cool.
That would be very cool. They're currently digging out the road so that they can retar it. Finally, get it ready. It's going good. I'm putting in some pipe. Michael's making this all nice and pretty so you can start forming it. Kind of a slow day, but we're getting there.
I don't know. Like to me, I'd be like, oh crap.
Well, they poured the front and the back concrete. We're gonna come back and make it like this. Exposed aggregate at some point. Charlie is getting all the doors hung. He's back for the week. He had his little baby. So Charlie's getting the doors on. Me and Michael were forming the driveway. And then he had to go help pick rocks, or get some rocks for us here at the house for our rock wall, retaining wall. So now I'm helping Charlie.
How's it going, man? Stuck, can't get out?
The front tire is like
Chris, you're gonna be famous.
Maybe.
Zach's gonna blow you up after this. Watch this. Oh my stars, look at that. Oh wow. Hindsight.
Back there, Chris!
It's finished. Got a little roundabout for trailers. And it's all poured. Welcome to a Thursday update. It's been a long time. Flooring is all done. The cabinets guys were here today. They got this little thing, little area there and there, next to the fireplace. And they got all these cabinets in. They look amazing. Pantry. And the mudroom. Looks great. So they'll be back tomorrow. We have Charlie got all the doors in, except the sliding doors. And we have the driveway poured. Charlie's doing trim downstairs. We got the master bathroom with the tile. And now we're gonna transition to Scott's shed while Charlie trims down here. Got some door trim. So he'll have a couple more days of that, but then we will frame Scott's up, hopefully pretty quick. But other than finishing trimming, finishing cabinets, cleaning this up and getting carpet in, there's not too much left to do.